What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again. And before we even get to today's video, check out last week's video. Today, we're not going to be doing a Dreadlock Style tutorial just yet. That's going to be next week. Today, what we're going to be doing is a temp fade. Temp fade is just short for temple fade. Some people call it a temple taper fade. It's got a whole bunch of different kind of names. I've already lined up my hair. I'm just gonna show you guys how I basically do it, which is, you know, just around the temples, and then we'll also do the back as well. What's under here is actually something that will be coming up for next week. So right now I've got rope twists in my hair. With all that being said, let's jump into this haircut, all right? Disinfect your clippers, obviously. You want to do that first. We're just gonna start with an 8-inch guard. So 8-inch guard with the cutting blade away from the comb blade. So this is open right now, okay? So let's just get into this, okay? Okay, with the thing still open, we're not gonna use the 16th inch guard. I like to do big macro steps with this and then go in between closing the cutting blade to the comb blade so I can really blend those two together. So that's kind of my technique when I do this. Now you're gonna come back with your 1/8-inch guard, boom, but you're gonna close the cutting blade to the comb blade. So now you're shortening the distance between the blade and your scalp. So that's gonna be the in-between of what you did with the 1/8 inch and the 16th inch. Nothing but open blade. Now again, go back to the size above that. So nice catch, hey! So the 16th inch guard, we're gonna put that on there now, and then we're gonna close the cutting blade to the comb blade. So shabam, and then go in and fade those two, even up those two. This side looks better than this side. Okay, let's fix this side up. Hold on, let me analyze this and figure this out. Now it's closed. Now it's closed. And then what I like to do is I have to just to really kind of blend it out. There we go. All right, so that's the front two sides of the temple fade. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go to the back and do just a little bit of the same thing on the back sides of the Mohawk and go with that. So keep it locked. 16th inch guard, still open. When your cord get all jumbled up and twisted and start hitting everything in the damn bathroom, you gotta stop and do all, dang. All right, we back. Back to the 1/8 inch guard. Now we're closing the comb blade. I don't know why I keep calling it that. We close the comb blade to the cutting blade. Okay. No, whatchamacallit, thingamabobidaboo. I'm not using that now. If you have a dreadlock or dreadlock mohawk and you're cutting really close to your roots, remember not to cut as close as you want to, because you're gonna thin your roots and that's not gonna be good, especially in the back. For me, since I've had my dreadlock mohawk, is that the tendency that for the back locks is for them to thin out as I've been growing them or as I've been cutting my hair, and I accidentally like nick the root a little bit. So always be careful when you're near, like when you're doing the front line or anything on the sides, always be careful of your roots, okay? Now we're doing the 16th inch guard, closing the clippers and blending those last two sections. What in the weird going on, child? What in the weird? What in the weird? And then, nope, guard, close the comb blade to the clipper, to the cut blade, and then just do the very last part. So that's it. Tempo fade done. It's a lot simpler than my other two styles I've done in the past, so I kind of like this when I'm kind of short for time, or you don't feel like doing that whole process of a fade or whatever it is. So this is a lot simpler. I think the back I could have done a lot better, but I like the sides. I like how it's just a little, so that's nice. But anyway, here's a quick 360. There you have it. That's my Low Temp Fade. Stay tuned next week because I will do a video on these rope twists and the twist outs, the curly hair that comes from them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Not really, but hey, whatever. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this video or just locks in general or on any of my other videos, hit me up down in the comment section below and ask me, okay? And then don't forget to subscribe. If you're coming back, thank you again for joining me. And if you came back and you're not hitting the subscribe button, why? Just do it. You'll get notifications, and you can even click the little alert bell next to it and you'll be notified of whenever I post a video, which is usually on a Monday. So I don't see why you ain't done did that yet. But anyway. And then hit me up on any of the social media links that I provided in the description box. I got my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Just, you know, follow me if you want to. It's all good, it's all copacetic. Well, I hope y'all had a snack when y'all was watching this. You see how this fly flew right up in my face? Fly, just disrespect. Hold on. Well, I hope y'all had a snack. Maybe some orange soda, you know, some Twizzlers, some Wizard Kelly popping corn, y'all, while you was watching this. And I hope you enjoyed it. Well, until next week, I will see y'all when I see y'all. And, you know, peace. Keep it locked.